It's hard for me to let go.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with Luvme here once more. Alright. You know, they have the same packaging. Alright, so in today's package, alright, so we have a little bag here that says Luvme, which is great for storage. You know, it's a share bag. Then I got a little Merry Christmas card. That's cute. Then I'm seeing the wig. Alright, so let's get into that. Have a little branded tissue paper here on the inside. So, they gave me a little gift bag, I guess, I don't know. If you want to make this a gift, maybe if you purchase this as a gift for somebody, you have a gift bag. Aren't they thoughtful? They are thoughtful. Oh my God, yeah. Alright, so I got a little goodie pouch here as usual. I got a clip on the inside, a pair of earrings. I got a pair of lashes and a lash wand on the inside. And that's everything in the pouch. That's pretty much it. That's everything. So this is today's wig. Oh my gosh, it's a bang bob wig. It feels and looks so good already. Guys, can you tell? Can you tell that the quality on this is top tier? Like, I don't know. Like, there's barely any flyaways. The hair has amazing movement. It's a beautiful cut. And it looks super realistic. You see this lace portion? It mimics scalp. So I love when they do the bang wigs like this. Like, it don't look like, you know, it's super fake. Like, they give the illusion right here as if it's scalp. So that's gorgeous. So this is how the inside looks. You know, they put a little portion here where there's actually lace, and it's bleached and tinted, so you don't have to worry about doing that. And it's a standard cap construction. You know, it has a total of 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and an extra elastic band for a maximum security, because you know this is the ultimate glueless wig. All right, I love that the bang is not overly like thick. I don't like when the bangs are too thick. This is perfect. You can give it like that fringed vibe. So I love it. Yeah, I love it. So I'll get the elastic band and then I'll slip this over my head first. Okay, super like easy to just slip on and kind of just finesse, because it's like, whoa, most of the work is already done for you. This is a flawless 10-inch bang bob. You see what I'm talking about with the bang? So I'm actually going to give it a little bump, and I'm going to go over it real quick with my flat iron. But like, it already looks so good straight out of the packaging. Like, it looks so good. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna just give it a little bump with my flat iron. And I just love the fact that they added a little lace up on the top portion here. I'm gonna go right throughout the wig with my flat iron. Give it a super bone straight vibe. This is actually a kinky, straight, undetectable lace bang bob wig, because this is like an undetectable lace. Like, they put a piece of some of the best quality lace up at the top there, so it can look as realistic as possible.
All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on, cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, and this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm
short the bob is as well. Remember some time ago I showed you guys about similar to this, but it was like a long bob. Now this time this is a short bob, and you could even go ahead and cut this shorter if you wish. Like you could definitely go ahead and do that to get that super like edgy vibe. Cause yeah, when the bobs are short, it like gives this edginess to it, like a super like edgy look, and that can look so gorgeous. But Luvme did their thing, because this is like the ultimate cute throw on and go glueless wig. You know, absolutely no adhesive needed. Like this looks so good. So good. Right? The bang is easy to finesse. It doesn't look like a helmet bang. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because Luvme did their thing. I love it. It's a 10. It's a 10. Quality, convenience, you know, all in one wig. So yeah, so I'm gonna be sure to put all the details of this wig in my description box, the link that you can go ahead and order it, because it is bomb. It is so bomb. Movement, luster, style, convenience, quality, top tier, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Highly. Shout out to Luvme Wigs once more for another bomb wig. I know this install video, this was super quick, you know, super quick to the point. Wasted no time into getting into this install. It's too good. But yeah, and I know some days, especially on these days, you probably feel like you don't want to do nothing. You probably don't have the time, because right now it's the holidays. It's super busy. You probably don't get around for go do your proper install it, so you need to still look cute. And even if you want to make this the main look, super easy. Super easy. You don't have to go to your hairdresser. You can literally do this yourself. So yeah, it's a 10. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, don't forget to go ahead and check out my Luvme series. Alright, we're still going strong. Or by PETITE-SUE TV. A vlog is being uploaded every single day. It's a vibe, it's fun, it's lit. So yeah, that's it for now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.